In this video, I will show you how to change your language in Duolingo app. So to get started, go ahead and open Duolingo on your device. Click on the flog icon at the top left of your screen, and then in here you'll be able to find this course button with a plus icon. So simply click on that, and from here, once you scroll down, as you can see, you can actually learn different language for a specific language. So for example, I want to learn Spanish with my English language. I'll simply select that and click on continue. Now in here, I'll just need to select the level of Spanish language that I know, as well as where do I want to start with learning that language on Duolingo. So once I click on continue and continue, I'll be able to start learning the basic Spanish language words that I need to know for a beginner.